If your garage door opener won't open all the way, adjusting the up limit switch is usually the fix you need to get things moving smoothly again. So here's the deal. Your garage door opener has these little limit switches that tell it when to stop going up or down. If the door stops short and doesn't open fully, the up limit switch might be set incorrectly. First, check your owner's manual for where the limit adjustment screws or knobs are on your specific model. Usually, you'll find 2 screws or dials labeled up and down. Turn the up limit screw a tiny bit counterclockwise to let the door open higher. Don't crank it too much at once. Make small adjustments, then test the door. Also, make sure nothing is physically blocking the door or that the tracks aren't jammed or bent, because that can mess with the opener's sensors. Another tip, check if the remote control or wall button works fine. Sometimes it's just a weak battery causing partial opening. And if your opener has force settings, don't forget to check those too, since they affect how hard it tries to push past resistance. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door openers not opening fully is ignoring the up limit switch adjustment and just assuming the opener is broken. Fix. Always start there before calling for repairs. Another common issue is debris or dirt buildup in the tracks or rollers that block full movement. Fix. Clean and lubricate these parts regularly. Lastly, some folks overlook checking their opener's force settings, which can cause it to stop early if set too low. Fix. Adjust force settings according to your manual so the door opens fully but still stops safely. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score new jobs, they make it super easy to connect with homeowners who need help right now.